The situation in the Middle East has become tense after recent military escalation between Iran, Israel, and US forces. Many travelers around the world are now worried about safety in Gulf countries. Airports and airlines are closely monitoring the situation as missile alerts were reported in some areas. Governments have started issuing travel advisories for tourists visiting the region. Reports confirm that missile and drone attacks targeted several U.S. military facilities in the Gulf region. One of the main locations discussed in the news is the Haludade Air Base in Qatar. This base is the largest American military installation in the Middle East. Air defense systems in the region were activated to intercept potential threats. Residents in Qatar reported hearing loud explosions during the night when air defense systems entered missiles. Authorities quickly confirmed that the situation was under control and no major damage was reported. Despite the tension, daily life in Doha continued normally the next morning. However, security levels across the country were increased. Travelers currently visiting Qatar were advised to remain calm and follow official government updates. Airports remained open, but some flights experienced temporary delays. Airlines also adjusted some flight routes to avoid potential conflict areas. Safety procedures at airports were increased. The United Arab Emirates also increased security measures across major cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Although no direct damage was reported, authorities remain on high alert. Military defense systems in the Gulf region are monitoring airspace continuously. This is a precaution to prevent any further escalation. Tourists visiting Dubai have not reported major disruptions in daily travel activities. Hotels, shopping centers, and tourist attractions remain open as usual. However, security presence has become more visible in airports and public areas. Authorities want to ensure safety for both residents and visitors. Bahrain also experienced increased military activity because of the presence of the U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet. The country plays an important role in regional military operations. Because of this, Bahrain has also strengthened security around important infrastructure. Travelers were advised to stay informed through official announcements. Many international airlines began monitoring flight paths across the Gulf region. Some airlines rerouted flights to avoid sensitive military zones. This is a common precaution during geopolitical conflicts. Passenger safety remains the top priority for aviation authorities. Tourism experts believe the conflict may temporarily affect travel confidence in the Middle East. When news about missiles or military tensions spreads, travelers often delay trips. This reaction is common during periods of geopolitical uncertainty. However, tourism usually recovers quickly once the situation stabilizes. Travel insurance companies also warn tourists about unexpected disruptions during regional conflicts. Insurance policies can help travelers if flights are canceled or delayed. Some policies also cover emergency evacuation or medical assistance. This is why travel insurance is strongly recommended during uncertain times. Embassies in several countries have issued travel advisories to their citizens. These advisories encourage travelers to monitor official news updates regularly. Governments want their citizens to remain alert while traveling abroad. These warnings are precautionary rather than panic signals. Tourists currently in the region are advised to avoid military bases or restricted zones. These areas may become sensitive locations during conflicts. Staying away from such areas reduces unnecessary risk. Most tourist locations remain safe and operational. Airports in Doha, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi continue to operate normally despite the tension. Aviation authorities confirm that flight safety procedures are active. Radar monitoring systems are constantly tracking airspace activity. This ensures commercial flights remain protected. Travel agencies also reported that some tourists postponed trips to Gulf destinations. However, many travelers continue their visits because daily life remains stable in most cities. Large shopping malls, cultural sites, and tourist landmarks are open. Tourism operations have not stopped. Experts say the Gulf region has strong air defense systems. These systems are designed to detect and intercept missiles or drones quickly. Because of these defenses, most attacks are intercepted before causing damage. This helps maintain stability in major cities. For travelers planning trips to the Middle East, staying informed is extremely important. Following local government announcements helps avoid confusion or rumors. Reliable news sources provide accurate updates about security situations. Social media rumors should be verified before believing them. Tourists should also register with their embassy when traveling abroad. This allows embassies to contact citizens during emergencies. Many governments offer travel registration systems online. This step improves safety during unexpected events. Travel insurance is another important protection for international tourists. Policies may cover trip cancellations or unexpected medical emergencies. Some insurance plans also provide assistance during geopolitical crises. This support can be valuable during uncertain situations. Experts recommend keeping copies of travel documents when visiting foreign countries. Passports, visas, and insurance papers should be accessible at all times. Digital copies stored on mobile devices can also help in emergencies. Preparation always improves travel safety. Hotels across the Gulf region are continuing normal operations. Tourism authorities want to reassure visitors that destinations remain safe. Security coordination between governments and airlines is ongoing. These efforts aim to protect travelers. Many analysts believe the conflict may remain limited to military targets. Civilian infrastructure and tourist areas are not direct targets. Governments want to prevent panic among residents and visitors. Maintaining stability is a major priority. Airspace monitoring has increased across the Middle East. Military radar systems are actively tracking drone or missile movement. This helps intercept threats before they reach populated areas. Such technology plays an important role in modern defense systems. Travel experts say tourists should avoid spreading unverified news during conflicts. Misinformation can create unnecessary fear among travelers. Official government announcements are always the most reliable sources. Responsible communication helps maintain calm. Airlines also remind passengers to check flight status before traveling to airports. Temporary delays may occur because of airspace monitoring. These delays are normal during regional security alerts. Passenger safety remains the main concern. Tourists currently visiting Gulf countries should follow hotel guidance and local safety advice. Hotels often receive official updates directly from authorities. Staff can guide guests about safe travel practices. Cooperation helps ensure safety. The tourism industry in the Middle East has experienced challenges before. Events like political tensions or global pandemics temporarily affected travel. However, tourism in the region has always recovered strongly. Gulf destinations remain popular worldwide. Dubai continues to attract millions of tourists every year. The city is known for its modern infrastructure and strong security systems. Even during regional tensions, Dubai remains one of the safest destinations. Authorities prioritize tourism safety. Qatar also invested heavily in tourism infrastructure after the FIFA World Cup. The country developed modern airports, hotels, and transportation systems. These investments help maintain stable tourism operations. Visitors continue exploring the country safely. Saudi Arabia is also expanding tourism through major development projects. Destinations like Riyadh and NEO aim to attract global travelers. Security and safety remain key priorities for these projects. Tourism development continues despite regional challenges. Experts say the key advice for travelers is preparation and awareness. Monitoring official news updates helps travelers make informed decisions. Carrying travel insurance and emergency contacts improves safety. Responsible travel planning reduces risks. The current conflict remains under close observation by global leaders. Diplomatic efforts continue to reduce tensions in the region. Many countries hope the situation will stabilize quickly. Peace remains the preferred outcome. For now, tourists in the Gulf region should stay informed but not panic. Most cities remain safe with strong security systems. Flights, hotels, and tourism activities continue operating. Awareness and preparation are the best strategies for travelers.